Traders, FSP Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily live streams for members only on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the pound dollar, I mean, like I've been saying, I still think eventually it is going to go up and take out these highs, but more than likely we are probably going to make some sort of a five-way pattern down first, possibly a higher low for like a running crescent, or maybe a lower high for a expanding crescent. Either way, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely down, and I would kind of expect us to either make five ways down like this with a higher low for a running pattern like this, or I would expect it to go down even further, maybe like this for an expanding pattern. Either way, I think we are going to have a downtrend that does last quite some time. Going down to the daily time frame, we had the U.S. elections yesterday, and they're still kind of going on, but it's pretty much over now, and I think Trump is the winner. But either way, I still think that this has to make a more proper looking wave two. It looks like it should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it should go up and make a wave two like this, and then down for a wave 3, 4, 5 like that. Definitely looks like that still is very valid. I don't really think that this move up was a wave two. I think that was actually a wave four and a wave five. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame on the pound dollar, it definitely seems pretty logical that this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're in a wave five. So if that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then most likely this is going to go up in reverse, take out the high of wave four, and probably spend several weeks in a move to the upside, which would be an ABC of two, and this would be a wave one. I think that is the most likely scenario looking across the board. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying on the 4 hour, I mean, more than likely this is a wave three, this is a wave four, and this is a wave five. If it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this is probably going to reverse back to the upside over the next day or so and eventually go up and take out structure. We have to be a little bit cautious though, because some of the dollar pairs actually could have already ended the wave one, and this could actually be a wave two, and we could be in a wave three right now. If we are in a wave three, it should be very obvious that we're in a wave three, because wave threes are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So if it doesn't do this almost instantly today, then most likely it's not a wave three, and most likely it really is a wave five, and most likely it's going to start making its way up and taking out these highs. So pay attention to price action today. I think it should tell us if this move up starts to look very corrective compared to the move down, then it's probably going to end up continuing the downtrend. If it starts to maintain more impulsive movement to the upside, then most likely this is the end of a wave five, and it's going to go up and take out the high of wave four. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.